When you have an online store where you sell products you created in Printify, you can add a brand tag to your products. One of the options available on Printify is adding your logo or another design to the inside label of the product. This makes it feel more personal when someone received it, rather than just a generic item. It also helps them remember where they got the product from. You can add this to some products, but not all of them. So here's how you find products that have a label option for you to design and customize. The neck label is only available for tops. When you search for product in Printify catalog, you can choose to select only products that have a branding label. Open the catalog, then click on neck label in the categories. After you select the neck label, you will see only the products that allow you to add a neck label. It's not a long list, but if you want to look only at products meant for a specific audience, like kids or women, you can select that on the side. Another way to find products with a label is by browsing the product catalog and then using the filters on the side to eliminate everything that doesn't have a neck label. Click on one of them, and you will see a list of providers that offer placement for the neck label, along with all the other placements where you can add designs to the product, so you don't need to get into the product to see if they have it. When I decide which products to add to my store, I prefer to pay a bit more and choose the ones that have the inner label. When you click on Start Designing for the product, you will see three options at the bottom of the mockup. Switching between them will let you access the placement for the inner label. Here you will see some general label text and icon for product care. When adding your design, make sure you do not cover this area. I think the best option is to add your logo and website URL in a horizontal format so it will fit nicely in the printing area. After adding your logo, you can click on the side to find the text for the label. Here you can change the text color. If you have a specific brand color, you can enter it and it will update to match your brand. You can also change the background color of the label square if the logo color doesn't blend into the t-shirt color. Once you have all your designs placed on the product as you want, you can check how much it will cost to produce. Click on the exclamation mark to see the product details. Then click on production costs to see exactly how much the label will add to the overall production cost. The cost for each placement on the product changes when you add or remove designs, and it will also vary between different producers. If you want to pay less, you can go through the product that offer label printing and compare the costs. If you don't want to test each product individually to find the cheapest one, you can select a product that includes label printing, click on the details, and find the branding section. Here you can click to access a table showing the pricing for label printing. Like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.